Hello, my sweet little people. It's me, Snigdha, and she is Ipshita. So, this is our first vlog together. So, today we are going to different places and we are going to show you where we are going, what we are doing, and we will be enjoying a lot because today is our Independence Day. After 1 year of isolation, finally we will be enjoying with peace and whatever. Okay, I just came right now to Ipshita's house and like she's literally eating. She's eating. Like, what is breakfast?
No,
Or
it's
lunch?
my lunch.
Oh, it's her lunch. Okay, so
Because she is never on time and I thought she will not be in time, so I was just enjoying my lunch. But she is on time today.
yeah. So you can see she's getting ready and she's having a makeup. You know she's putting kajal. Yeah, kajal. See, she's so sweet. So now we are out for the day. Let's hope it's a beautiful journey. I don't know what I'm saying.
Bro, it's already like cloudy.
Yeah, it's gonna rain, but we will enjoy in the rain also.
Yeah, enjoy.
See you in the next stop. Bye.
So we are in rickshaw now, and for the moment we are going to city center. Unplanned, we don't know what we are going, like for what we are going there. Let's see what happens. Ta-ta.
So guys, we are done. Okay, like now we are going to.
The rain has stopped, and now we are going to my father's shop, medicine shop.
Yeah.
Like she has never been there, so I just wanted her to see.
Yes, so let's go.
So guys, I came in my shop. Like she came in my shop to see it. Now we are going to my maternal grandfather's house. So let's see if she likes it or not.
Why won't I like?
Bye bye.
I think
So how are you feeling after coming to my grandparents' house?
very good. They are so good. Your mommy is so good.
And I'm not good.
No, you are very bad.
I forgot. I
Guys.
was a bad bitch.
Bro, literally, sorry guys, literally we don't know where to go. We are
just-
confused.
Avara.
Like we came to city center. That time it was raining heavily, so we entered Domino's. We had something like we had little bit of like all this pizza and all. Then
Now we are confused.
now just like we came to her
shop.
mm,
Father's shop.
yeah, father's shop. Then nearby that only.
My
her-
maternal grandfather's house.
Yes, then we came here. Now we are here only. Now we are thinking where should we go next because we really wanted to enjoy today. Like
So we are doing our wedding shop.
yeah,
No,
like,
we are doing no planned roaming.
yeah. Now we don't know where we must go, but
Let's see
I want to
where our
enjoy.
destiny takes us.
Exactly, destiny.
Destiny. Bye bye.
Well, not bye. Like we will be coming again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's take a
with
pause.
our new
Destination.
destination. Yeah.
Unplanned destination.
Yes.
Bye bye.
So guys, now we are going to Heritage Park, and right now we are in auto. So guys, we came to Heritage and it is closed. Such a bad day it is. Such a bad day, bro. First of all, it was raining. Now the park is also closed. Nothing to say.
So guys, we have come to Shoppers Stop, which is a topmost brand in India, and it's very costly. But to be honest, we are very sasta. We don't have so much money. A bag costs 6,000 rupees here, so it's impossible for us to buy anything. We just came here to, time pass. Where is she? Let's know her view.
We did not reach there till now. We are going.
It's a very big mall. We will show you glimpses of that. See you later. Bye. So we are here.
So guys, like we are so poor and we came to such a costly mall. The mall is absolutely stunning, but we are really poor and we are really not rich enough to afford such expensive clothes or makeup kits and all. We are literally acting that we are going to buy something, but
We're not
no,
liking it.
we are not going to buy anything. We are extremely poor, you know. We are very poor, whatever. So like now we are just roaming here and there. Then
Where is the time zone?
firstly, like after like we had to go, we made a plan to go to Heritage Park, but Heritage Park was closed. Then we have like walked
Where is the time zone?
and then came here to, what is the name of the place? Huh? Shopper Stop. Yeah. I don't even know the name well. So we came here. We are just acting that we are going to buy something, but we are going to buy nothing. We are just roaming here and there. And let's see where we are going next. Yeah. Keep us watching.
Se destiñó esta capa azul y me quedé sin mi princesa bis. Me daba cuenta por el rancio olor que dejó el vino que no te serví. Pero hey, no te arrepientas de lo que se fue ayer. Tal vez lo que se venga te muestra hasta el sol, te moje hasta los pies. Descongelame, me mostró la luz, dijo, no saberías que no sangran, no. Y las palabras de este bon vivant se irán en líneas que nunca verás. Pero hey, no te arrepientas de lo que se fue ayer. Tal vez lo que se venga te muestra hasta el sol, te moje hasta los pies.
So guys, now we are going back to our home. We enjoyed a lot
We collected
in time zone.
1049 some points.
Yeah, like we played, we enjoyed, we just had a great time. So now we are going back to home and yeah.
So our day is over. Like it was a very wonderful day. I mean, we enjoyed so much. First we went to Domino's. We ate, पेट भर के खाया. उसके बाद हम लोग कहाँ गए? उसके बाद हम लोग मेरे मामा के घर गए. फिर वहाँ से हम हेरिटेज पे आए बट वन था.
उसके बाद हम टाइम जोन में गए. लाइक
नहीं, उससे पहले शॉपर स्टॉप में गए. वहाँ पे एम्प्लॉइज
वहाँ पे जाके हम लोग ऐसे प्रिटेंड कर रहे थे कि हम बहुत कुछ खरीदेंगे, बट हमारे पास तो मतलब मेरे पास 50 रुपये था और इसके पास बहुत पैसा था, तो माला माल.
लेकिन इतने भी नहीं थे कि वहाँ से कुछ खरीद सकते.
हाँ,
तो वहाँ का एक
तो उसके बाद मैं एक बात बोलती हूँ. तो एक परफ्यूम like he was selling those perfume and all, so she just went there and the guy was like showing different kinds of perfume that you
and
can
I was
just,
like मुझे तो खरीदना पड़ेगा.
हाँ,
Oh my god.
वो ऐसे प्रिटेंड कर रही थी कि हाँ वो खरीदेगी ये सब. But then let me tell, then she was like texting. Then I just went away from that place because I was least interested. Then she was texting me in WhatsApp that भाई तू मुझे कॉल कर, मुझे इधर से बाहर निकालना है.
She called me and I pretended like कि कोई
emergency
emergency है.
an emergency call came, so I have to go now. Then somehow she managed.
No, actually मैंने कहा कि आप प्लीज इसको रखना, मैं कल जरूर आऊंगी लेने के लिए. बट ऑब्वियसली मैं नहीं आने वाली थी.
वो मुझे WhatsApp पे text कर रही है, भाई तो मुझे कॉल कर.
मैं कॉल पे प्रिटेंड कर रही हूँ कि हाँ इमरजेंसी कॉल आया है, अभी आना पड़ेगा, पैनिक मत कर. मैं इसको बोल रही हूँ पैनिक मत करिए, बोली चुपचाप जल्दी बाहर आ. उसके बाद हम टाइम जोन पे गए. दैट वाज द बेस्ट पार्ट, आई टेल यू. लाइक इतना अच्छा था.
बहुत खेला हम लोगों ने, बहुत बहुत, स्पेशली वो थ्रो बॉल वाला जो एक गेम था, बास्केटबॉल, बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत लाइक बहुत दिनों बाद विथ पीस वी हैव लिटरली एंजॉयड।
Yeah, मतलब,
एक साल हमारे लिए बहुत हेक्टिक था, ऐसा था कि लाइक हम जहाँ भी जाए लाइक वी ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू गो देयर विद सम प्रेशर, टेंशन कि एग्ज़ाम कैसा जाएगा, क्या होगा, बट आज without any tension and stress regarding our future, we literally enjoy.
इस एक साल में जो कुछ भी हुआ, मतलब आई डोंट रिग्रेट इट, मतलब जो कुछ भी हुआ वो अच्छे के लिए हुआ। मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा, बहुत अच्छे दोस्त बने, जैसे कि ये मेरे साथ लास्ट तक खड़ी रही मेरे ब्रेकडाउन में। इसने मुझे मेरे क्रूएल्टी, मेरा रूडनेस, मेरा सॉफ्ट नेचर, मेरा आई विल डाई फॉर हिम, सब कुछ देखा है इसने। एंड शी इज़ लाइक द बेस्ट ऑफ माई फ्रेंड।
Like we literally have no regrets of anything because we really worked hard in this 1 year. I don't know what the result is going to be. I don't want to even think of that. But we don't have any regrets, yaar. We don't have any regrets. जो हुआ अच्छे के लिए हुआ, और just let's see what's going to come ahead.
We learned the real struggle for existence, what you say. हमने सीखा कि ज़िंदगी में, इस देश में, इस सोसाइटी में स्ट्रगल करके जीना कैसा होता है। इतना कंपटीशन हमने इस एक साल में झेला है।
मुझे ना इस एक साल में बहुत अच्छे दोस्त मिले, और मेरे आसपास जो भी थे, whoever was with me, every one of them was supportive. So I'm grateful to each and every person who stood by my side, especially her. Thank you so much. And we had an absolutely great day. And let me tell, this is a vlog that we are making not for any professional purpose, but in order to create a memory, so that after 5 or 6 years, if we just see this video, we can just recall.
After 5 or 6 years, if we see it, so that we can feel cringe after seeing it.
Not cringe, but we can just think that we can just recall everything, the moments that we have spent together.
The best part of today was the time zone. I can't explain. It was so good now.
Yeah, it was great. So we are recording every moment today because we want to
we want to capture our memories.
Yes,
of today.
so that after 5 or 6 years, if we see that, we can just recall that, we had a great time. So it was a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Now we will be going back to home, and our parents don't know that we are going to make this vlog. So we are just ending up here only. Thank you so much for watching, and do like, share, comment, and you can comment how was the video
experience,
and you can just even let us know that where we can improve ourselves, where we can do much better.
And you can also comment who is looking better. Of course, me.
She's always cute, sweetest.
I am fatty cute.
We both are chubbily cute. Chubbily cute. Whatever.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys. Bye.